In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files and folders in OneDrive. Whether you're trying to clear up storage space, remove old documents you no longer need, or just tidy up your cloud files, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website, then sign in to your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see your OneDrive homepage, which looks a lot like a regular file explorer. You'll have folders, individual files, and maybe some shared items. Take a moment to locate the file or folder you want to delete. If you're not sure where it is, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Type part of the file name and press Enter. Once you've found the item, move your mouse over it. You should see a small circle or checkbox appear on the left side of the file or folder name. Click that checkbox to select it. If you want to delete multiple items at once, keep clicking the checkboxes for each file or folder you'd like to remove. You'll notice that as soon as something is selected, a toolbar appears at the top of the page. In that toolbar, look for the Delete option. It's usually represented by the word Delete or a trash can icon. Click Delete and OneDrive will ask you to confirm that you really want to move these items to the recycle bin. Go ahead and confirm. At this point, your files and folders are removed from your main OneDrive view and moved into the OneDrive recycle bin. This means they're not permanently gone yet, which is handy in case you made a mistake. To see or restore them, look at the left-hand menu and click on Recycle Bin. Here, you'll find all the items you've recently deleted. If you decide you want something back, select it in the recycle bin and choose Restore from the toolbar. It will go back to its original location in your OneDrive. If you're sure you no longer need certain items and you want to free up space immediately, you can permanently delete them from the recycle bin by selecting them and choosing Delete again. That's all you need to know to delete files and folders in OneDrive safely and effectively.